Hello students, welcome. Today let's discuss about strings. A string is a character array. Having said this, let's see how to declare a string. Say character str of 10. If I write like this, str is the variable name. I can give any name to this. I have just taken str. This 10 represents, I'm going to allocate 10 memory locations for this string. Okay, here I have not done any initialization. I have just declared a string. So in that case, some 10 locations will be reserved for this str. This is location 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, so on up to 9. And each will be having its own address. Say the address is some 1000, 1001, so on up to 1009. Some value we can take. So in these locations, we are going to store the actual strings. Now, this str of 0, we call it as the base address. Okay, so this is 0th location. This is called as the base address. From the base address, all the other characters will be stored in consecutive memory locations. Now, if at all we have to declare as well as initialize a string, we can do it this way. Character str within this, if at all we are not giving any value, how much ever we have given, that is the string length is hello string length is 5 plus 1 null character, 6 would be taken here by default. Now having declared and initialized hello, let's see how this has been stored in the memory. So h is stored in the base address, so HELLO. The string length is 5, which is terminated by a null character. This null character, the compiler is going to add by itself. So totally for storing a string of length 5, we need 6 memory locations including the null character. Now, what if we declare like this? Character string of 3, but we are trying to initialize that str with hello, which is of length 5 plus 1 null character. This would come to 6 characters, so this would be illegal. There's one more way of storing the same string like this. See, character str, since we are already initializing, we are not giving any value here. There is an equal sign, which means we are going to do the assignment. Character str with square brackets, that would be equal to, there is a brace here, flower bracket, HELLO ended with a null character. So here we are going to initialize character by character. H is stored in 0th location. This is stored in location 1. This is stored in location 2. This in location 3, location 4, location 5. So starting with the base address, then we are going to have till the null character. So that would be, string length would be 5 plus 1, 6. So we need 6 locations to store the string. Now, what if we declare character str of 10? The string length is actually 5 and there is a terminating null character, so we need 6 characters. But if I say character string of 10 and if I initialize str equal to say hello again, which is of length 5, this is how the memory is going to store that, HELLO terminating null character. In the remaining locations, we are going to write, the compiler is going to write null characters. So this is how the compiler is going to handle the strings internally. Now, how do we read the strings? Coming to reading the strings, there are three functions. Scanf function. Scanf function, this is formatted input function. We can use, say, scanf percentile yes. Okay, and whatever string we want to use, we can write like this. Scanf percentile yes str. Just note, we are not going to give the ampersand here. Since we are going to input the entire string, the base address, ampersand is not necessary when we are inputting the strings. Now, scanf function, there is a limitation to this. Say you want to input hello world. This is the string you want to give. Once it sees the white space or a blank, it is going to end at that. So only hello is taken, world is not taken if you are using scanf percentile yes. That is the limitation. That is, scanf function does not accept blank spaces or white spaces. Now, if we take gets, using gets, we can input hello world together. Gets will take the string till it encounters a new line. Hello world. If at all you want to use gets function till you see a new line character, it is going to accept the string. And what about getchar? Getchar and gets, all these are unformatted input statements. This will take an entire string, whereas getchar, getch, getche, they will take character by character. So we will have to run a loop and we will have to accept the input character by character. Getchar, you have a chance to change the character. Till you press the enter key, it won't accept. But getch will accept the moment you enter any key, it will accept that as a character. Getche will accept the character and it will echo to the screen. So yeah, I have given example here. Scanf percentile yes str. Ampersand is not necessary as I mentioned. Now, let's see how to output the string. So for outputting the string, there are again three ways. We have printf percentile yes, whatever string we want to output, say for example str, if str is the string we are outputting, so we can just say printf percentile yes str, or we can use puts, puts. This is again unformatted output statement. Putchar, if we are using putchar repeatedly, again it will output character by character. We will have to use a loop for this. Now let's see how to display a string. We have written a small program, main. In main we have declared one character str, the string array which is initialized to introduction to C. If I just say printf, this /n is new line character, it will start the output on a fresh line. If I say /n percentile yes, this is the format specifier I am using. If I just say str, it will print the entire string. If I say 20 yes, that is printf /n, this again will come on a fresh line, new line. So 20 yes means 20 locations are reserved. 20 locations are reserved and this string would be write justified. So leaving the blank characters in the beginning, the string is written from the right. If at all I want the string to be left justified, then I give minus. So printf new line minus 20s. Again 20 locations are reserved, but the string is written from the beginning. So the remaining locations are in the end. Now look at this percentile 0.4s. So it means out of the entire string, the first 4 characters have been considered. So INTR. So these 4 characters are taken in this percentile 0.4s. Similarly, if I say /n to 20.4s. So this is again positive. It is right justified. We are going to take 4 characters, okay, and we are going to write from the end. So beginning 16 locations are free. So last 5 locations have been used for this. If I say minus printf /n minus 20.4s, so this would be left justified. So the string is written from left like this. The remaining locations are, empty. So by default the string is right justified. So this is the basics of strings. Next let's see how to write a program to find the length of a string, how to concatenate a string, how to compare a string, and things like that. Thank you.